Hi students, let us see how the phase changes in the case of a pure resistance connected across an AC source. Okay, ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ show that voltage and current are in the same phase in the case of an AC containing pure resistance. ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ತರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. Now just consider this diagram. Consider an AC source connected across an AC connected across a pure resistance are shown in figure. Okay, diagram ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು AC ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈ ತರ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ತರ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಸೈನ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ AC ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ DC ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ DC. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್, ಬರೆದ್ವಿ. This is called AC source. Okay, so which is connected across a resistance shown in figure. Fine. Hangidre the applied voltage is given by the given voltage or applied AC. Applied AC voltage is given by, let us write down that equation. V is equal to V naught sine omega t. Equation number 1. Now, what is called V naught? V naught stands for the peak voltage. Peak voltage. Okay. Hangidre the instantaneous value of current is given by. So yakantandre yavaga voltage apply ಮಾಡ್ತೀನೋ definitely there should be a current ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. The value of current, the instantaneous value of current is given by ನೋಡಿ, instantaneous value of current I is given by ಇತರ ಬರಬೇಕು. We have I is equal to, from Ohm's law, V by R. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತದು? From Ohm's law. Now substitute for I. Therefore I is equal to, what is V? V can ಬರಿಬಹುದು V naught sine omega t divided by R. Now tell me what is V naught by R? So that is equal to I naught and ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು into sine of omega t. Equation number 2 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ, so V naught by R is called, I naught is called what? Peak value of current. Peak value of current. See, look at that equations 1 and 2. From equations 1, V is equal to V naught sin omega t. See, omega t stands for phase. Omega t ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, omega t stands for phase. Omega t stands for phase. Look at the equation 1. The voltage equation contains phase omega t. Even from equation 2, the current also contains the phase omega t, right? So ಹಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಯಾವ ಫೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ಫೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥವಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? So voltage is exactly in the same position as current. That means what? Voltage and current are in the same phase. Their phase difference is 0. ಆಯ್ತಾ? That means ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ voltage and current are in the same phase. From equations 1 and 2 ಹೇಳಬದಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. Look at this. Graphical ಆಗಿ I have shown the diagram. Y axis VRI ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, X axis ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ look at the graph. ನೋಡಿ, ನಾನು ಬ್ಲೂ ಪೆನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿರೋದು ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್, ರೆಡ್ ಪೆನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿರೋದು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. See, when voltage is 0, current also 0. When voltage attains maximum, current also attains maximum. When voltage attains negative maximum, current also attains negative maximum. That means what? Voltage and current are in the same phase. So ಇದನ್ನ ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ವೆಕ್ಟೋರಿಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, ರೆಡ್ ಪೆನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ V ತೋರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬ್ಲೂ ಪೆನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ I ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ನೀವು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಪೆನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವೆಕ್ಟೋರಿಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಈ ತರ ಬರೆದಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? In the case of an AC circuit containing pure resistance, voltage and current are in the same phase. So from equations 1 and 2 ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. See, from equations 1 and 2, it follows that voltage and current are in the same phase, or their phase difference is 0. Okay, makla? So illige neevu baribekagutte. Okay, nodi starting from this. Nodi ee tara. It carries 3 marks. So consider an AC source connected across the pure resistance or shown in figure. Write the diagram. Applied voltage is given by that equation. What is called V0, peak value of voltage. Now the instantaneous value of current I is given by I is equal to V by R from Ohm's law. Substitute for V0 sin omega t by R. Now tell me what is called V0 by R. I0 called peak value of current. I is equal to I0 sin omega t. See, from equations 1 and 2, it follows that voltage and current are in the same phase. Here omega t stands for phase. Omega t nodi VL omega IL kuda omega t ಇದೆ. So graphically and vectorially they are represented shown in figure. Thus from equations 1 and 2, it follows that voltage and current are in the same phase. Okay, makla, thank you for watching this video, and in the next video we shall see an AC circuit containing pure inductance.